So we will leverage Amazon Lex to resolve the insurance issue and create a chatbot using Amazon Lex. Before we take a deep dive into the actual demo session, let's try to understand what is Amazon Lex in very short. So Amazon Lex helps us build, test, and deploy chatbots and virtual assistants on website, including Facebook Messenger. And it uses machine learning to provide initial bot design, and then definitely you can refine it. In the demo, actually, we will see how easy it is to get started with Amazon Lex, and then there are a lot of configuration you can do and make it based on your requirement. And some of the features of Amazon Lex include simplicity. That means it will provide multiple options that you can create, choose the existing template or build from the scratch, and various other options we will see in the demo. Next is seamless deployment and scaling. It takes care of provisioning everything and infrastructure and all those things, and it is really cost effective. So first 5,000 requests are free for a month, and then you will be charged after that. Next, let's try to understand how Lex work. There are basically three steps. Step number one, script the conversation. So for example, if you are talking to someone over the phone, those recording will be converted into the text, and from that text, you will be able to make some sense out of it or do some action and respond to that. So in that case, that first step is script, plan, and refine. So once you have the recording, let's say, you will do script it, then you refine it, and then pick some keywords from that. Next step is design your bot. So this is a very critical step here, and it has multiple components. Like the main things are intent and slot, and as well prompt. So in this case, the model should be able to understand the intent of the caller. So that is very important. So you should have multiple intents so that model can understand it. Then slot, that means model need to understand that what type of data it needs to fulfill the requirement. So that kind of things. And prompt, it will ask the right question, and finally it will fulfill the requirement. So once you design the bot in a proper manner, next step is build your bot. You will build, test, and deploy it and then it is kind of a continuous process. So this is the very high level overview of Amazon Lex, and now we will go into the actual demo session. So just to be clear that we will go through the steps to create the chatbot of using Amazon Lex, but intention for this lecture or this demo is just to give you some idea that how easy it is to get started with AI. And like big players like Amazon, Microsoft, these players are making a lot of services which makes it easy for everyone to use AI technology. Again, this demo is not going to go in too much details, and this is just a superficial demo, and you can learn. This is just a beginning, and you can keep this as a reference. So without further ado, let's begin with the demo.